Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our Pen Test Plus course. In today's lesson, we explore various types of social engineering attacks, including phishing, vishing, whaling, spear phishing, smishing, dumpster diving, and more. Let's start with phishing. Phishing involves crafting deceptive emails designed to trick recipients into revealing sensitive information, such as login credentials, financial details, or personal data. Attackers often impersonate trusted entities like banks or employers to increase credibility. Tools like GoPhish or EvilGinx2 automate phishing campaigns by creating realistic-looking emails and capturing user input on fake websites. Next, we discuss vishing. Phishing, or voice phishing, uses phone calls to manipulate victims into divulging sensitive information. Attackers may impersonate technical support teams, financial institutions, or government officials to build trust. Tools like SpoofCard and caller ID spoofing apps allow attackers to disguise their identity, making their calls appear legitimate. Now, let's look at whaling. Whaling targets high-profile individuals, such as executives or other decision-makers, by leveraging their access to sensitive data or high-value systems. Attackers often use tailored emails or phone calls that mimic legitimate communication. Tools like Maltego can gather information about executives through public data, aiding in crafting convincing attacks. Moving on to spear phishing. Spear phishing is a more targeted form of phishing that focuses on specific individuals or groups. Attackers research their victims to personalize messages, increasing the likelihood of success. Open-source intelligence tools like ReconNG or OSINT frameworks can aid attackers in gathering information about their targets. Next, we have smishing. Smishing is a social engineering attack delivered via SMS or messaging apps. Attackers use messages containing malicious links or requests for sensitive information, often impersonating known contacts or businesses. Tools like SMS spoofing platforms can assist in crafting and sending such messages. Let's discuss dumpster diving. Dumpster diving involves searching through physical trash to find valuable information, such as discarded documents, receipts, or device components. Attackers can uncover sensitive data like passwords, account details, or proprietary information. To prevent dumpster diving, organizations should enforce shredding policies, securely dispose of hardware, and restrict access to disposal areas. Finally, we examine surveillance. Surveillance attacks use observation techniques to gather sensitive information. This can include shoulder surfing, monitoring physical spaces, or using cameras to capture confidential data. Attackers may use tools like binoculars, hidden cameras, or long-range microphones to gather information. In summary, by mastering these attack types and tools, penetration testers can simulate real-world social engineering scenarios, helping organizations identify vulnerabilities and strengthen their human defenses. Thank you for joining us today, and see you next time.